Two friends are sitting on a seesaw at the park. The height, h of t, of the left seat is inches above the ground. So h of t represents the number of inches above the ground and is modeled by the sine function. Let t represent time in seconds since the friends have started seesawing. So the seesaw does one of these things, and they're trying to measure the one on the left, right? And t represents the time, and it's a sine function because you're going to go up and down, and time is going to go this way or this way. Yeah, we'll go this way from your perspective. So, anyways, they have the table of values. And it says if the friends start seesawing with the plank at a level position, how long does it take for the friend in the left seat to move upward, downward, and then back? So 24 inches is that's how high the seesaw is, right? So how do I know that? Because they say that they're starting in a level position, and when they start, time equals 0, and the height is 24 inches. So I like to draw pictures. So that means that this is 24 inches, and this is 24 inches. I know I drew that kind of on an angle, but just pretend that it's perfectly level. And so what happens is after 1 second, this seesaw is going to go up like this, and this one's going to come down. So this is going to go up 48 inches, and this one's going to come down, and this will be at 0 inches. So we're talking about the left, right? Then at 2 seconds, it's going to come back down to the original position like this. At 3 seconds, it's going to go down to the ground like this and be at 0 inches. And then at 4 seconds, it'll be back at 24. So 4 seconds. That's it.